Hey guys, this is not a very good video quality, but what we got here is Sunbeam microwave. This is crazy. Me and my son have been using this. It has holes in the bottom, and it still works. Let me get to the model. Can I get is that? No, that's crazy. Here's the model number and all that such. Alright. Uh-oh. It probably don't work anymore. Let's see. Well, I broke the coffee cup all over the floor. I'm gonna demonstrate a little bit. Let's see. Let's see. Here's the get in there. Needless to say, it has a missing. Well, apparently it don't work. Well, let's see. Let's see if it still works. We gotta get a new coffee cup. Broke that one all to crap. Let's get a new coffee cup. Alright, got a new coffee cup. Put some water in there. Alright, got some water. Put in there. Let's see if it works. Hey, we'll put it on for a minute or two. Couple minutes. And we're gonna put, yeah, a couple minutes to be alright. Alright, let's see if it does what it's supposed to do. We broke the other cup. Darn it. Pick that up. That thing is old. We've been using it for like 5 or 6 years. And it still works. So you can see the bottom part rotates. That part does not, because the bottom part is rusted out, got a big hole. Are we getting radiation from this microwave? I don't know. We'll see. But it's gonna work. You watch and see. It will get the water hot. Sometimes it rotates, sometimes it doesn't. We'll see. Let's go see right now. What does it do? Is it gonna move? All those dark spots are rough. It's clean. It's clean. I personally cleaned it just about an hour ago. Every part of it. Top, bottom, back, front, everything. Okay, let's see what it does. See what it says. Let's see what it says. Oh. So there's steam coming out of that. Let's go like there's steam coming all out to me. It's all broken. Microwave. Rusty holes in the bottom of it. Still works perfect. If anybody has another one of these, I'm telling you what, I would like to have another one. We've been using this for several years. And boy, this is fun. Boy, this is fun. Our regular microwave. Oh, he's supposed to close the door. Took a crap a few years ago, and then we went back to this microwave. You gotta buy it. You can put a plate in there. I showed the tag on the back. I think it's 2.2 or 2.5 cubic meters, cubic feet, or cubic centimeters, whatever they go by. Now, I would love to have another one of these. This one, I think, is dangerous, but we love it. That's good enough for now. And, yep, the water is still piping hot. Alright, love you guys. See you later.